involved continued concerns about quality control at Boeing's production facilities, particularly surrounding the 737 MAX and 787 programs. Even though Boeing's first quarter results suggest stability, several reports, including one from the FAA, highlighted ongoing inconsistencies in Boeing's quality assurance processes. One incident that drew attention in April was a temporary grounding of some 737 MAX aircraft due to incorrectly installed or documented fasteners in the rear pressure bulkhead, a problem first identified by Spirit Aerosystems before their reacquisition by Boeing. While the issue didn't pose an immediate flight safety risk, it triggered additional inspections and added pressure on Boeing to improve production discipline. The FAA, meanwhile, has continued its more hands-on oversight, a stance it adopted after the Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9-door plug blowout earlier this year. The agency has embedded inspectors at Boeing's facilities and recently expanded these teams to include quality specialists and auditors. The goal is to maintain stricter compliance with build standards and to ensure that changes promised by Boeing's new leadership are being implemented across all levels of production. In parallel, the FAA is also tackling the surge in close calls and runway incursions at U.S. airports, with one major initiative being the expansion of its Surface Awareness Initiative. This includes wider use of surface radar systems like ASDX, retrofitting taxiways and runways with new markings and lighting for better visual guidance, and pushing ahead with the full integration of NASA's ATD 2 decision support system to streamline departure management and reduce surface congestion. They're also focusing on staffing. The FAA hired over 1,500 new air traffic controllers in 2024 and aims to exceed that number this year. However, the training pipeline remains lengthy and operational shortfalls persist, especially in high-traffic airspaces like New York, Southern California, and Washington, D.C. The FAA has publicly acknowledged that both aging infrastructure and limited staffing have contributed to the uptick in near misses. In April, FAA Administrator Mike Whitaker testified before Congress, where he supported a long-term modernization program that includes not only controller hiring and facilities upgrades, but also the implementation of AI-driven tools to predict and prevent conflicts on the ground and in the air. So while Boeing and Airbus each face unique and persistent challenges, from production delays to trade conflicts to design decisions, the FAA's current focus is firmly on safety, both in terms of airspace management and manufacturer accountability. Would you like a quick summary graphic showing the main April 2025 aviation issues and FAA responses?